Bhavananda Raya, Prabhu, was one of my first disciples in Europe. And from the beginning, he was different, he was special. He was considerably older than most of the other devotees. And he'd seen the world. He wasn't struggling with anxiety what he's going to do in future. He wasn't on the chariot of the mind wandering this way and that way from the very beginning. He was fixed that I have to serve Krishna. This is my life. Which is what he did. Very simple, straightforward, simple in the matter that, he didn't go this way and that way, just I have to serve Krishna, I have to serve the devotees. And he did that for many years. He was growing vegetables, producing produce for the devotees, for the temple. And as he became older and older, and gradually incapacitated, he came to live just next to the temple in Ljubljana. Of course, you know all this, all of those who are listening, you know all this. And he was attending the temple, and gradually he became too old for that. And then for several years, the devotees performed exemplary service by looking after him, caring for his physical needs. And he was fixed. Despite his poor physical condition, he was fixed in Krishna consciousness. So thank you, Bhavananda Raya Prabhu, for being an exemplary devotee, and thank you to all the devotees for the exemplary service you performed to him for many years. It's a great example how you looked after an elder devotee. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.